Bracey.
Thank you, Dr. Huxtable. When I accepted the position of president of this college, I did so for one reason, because it's Hillman. However, I have not always felt so confident about being here. I take you back to my senior year at Hillman. I had a perfect 4.0 grade average and was applying to graduate school. But I had doubts, a great many doubts about my ability to compete against the graduates of schools like Harvard, Princeton, Stanford, the University of Chicago, and many of the fabled academic institutions of this nation. I took my concern to Dr. Haynes. He listened to me patiently, and when I had finished, he leaned forward and said to me, "Young lady, an A student at Hillman is an A student anywhere." Therefore, to the question of why, with all of the other opportunities presented to me, I chose to serve as president of Hillman. I simply respond,